Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the raw geometry into your workspace. Import the scan or photogrammetry mesh into Blender because Blender gives a flexible base, then immediately remove stray islands and mirror artifacts. Once done, run a quick decimate pass to drop poly count to a workable level. This prevents crashes and speeds the next steps. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can revert if a cleanup step removes useful detail. This early housekeeping saves time when you sculpt and retopologize. Now you sculpt to recover expression and anatomy, treat surface pores and creases, but avoid overdetail that will hamper rigging. Once sculpt is stable, retopologize with edge loops that follow muscle flow. This ensures deformation looks natural. After retopology, unwrap UVs with logical seams and consistent textile density. This step matters for baking maps and texture painting. Then bake normals, curvature, ow, and position maps from the high-res sculpt. These drives give your mesh head realistic shading. Finish by skinning the mesh to your rig or creating blend shapes for facial animation. You want predictable deformations around eyes and mouth. Export using the engine's recommended format, GLTF for web and many engines, FBX for DCC pipelines, and include baked maps and morph targets. Once imported into the target environment, run animation tests and check LOD transitions. If something goes wrong, reevaluate weight painting and blend shape influence first. Often small weights or wrong normal space cause the worst visible artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.